I'm Todd Sepulveda, the editor of Prepper Website and the host of the Prepper Website podcast. On this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, or really more of a, and that's funny because of my green screen. You can't see it. It's a bag. And so it's from Survival Frog. As you can see, the frogs on there. That's funny. This is green. It is a green bag from Survival Frog, envelope actually. And I'm going to go to the backyard because it's a beautiful day, and I'm going to open it up on my patio. So I hope you will come and join me as I dig into this gear. Like I said, it kind of feels like Christmas. Let's go. All right, let's go ahead and dig into this. I don't want to tear anything or rip anything. Alright. Wow, a lot of good stuff in here. Okay, so let's check it out. First thing up is the zombie hatchet. Alright, the Zombinator. This isn't really going to be a review of all this material. I'll do some of that a little bit later on. Okay, I gotta tell you, it's nice and heavy. Feels sharp. So I looked at this a little bit. It's supposed to be full tang. Well, you can't completely tell though. It's got the point here so you can break glass. You can cut your seatbelt with it. I guess if you keep this in your vehicle, let me show that there. You've got, I believe this paracord is like tender cord. I can't remember the exact name that they have for it. I have a whistle here. Not very loud. Okay, so you got the the chopping side of it. You've got the hex side here. You got the claw, or the crowbar aspect of it. You can use this as a hammer. It doesn't feel as comfortable in your hand as a hammer because of this grip over here, but that feels really comfortable right there. It also comes with a small ferro rod in here, and it's got a nice way of keeping it there so it won't come out. Alright, so I look forward to checking this out a little bit closer, and we'll see how that goes a little bit later on. Okay, so let's put this one away. That's the Zombinator hatchet. Okay, so this is medium dry bag, and so a lot of uses for dry bags. Survival Frog gear. Okay, that's a nice size. Can't remember how the ounces on it. That's a nice size. Alright. Looks like I'll be talking about a dry bag here in the future. And what else do we have here? A neck knife. Okay. So that's my hand. It's full tang. Feels sharp. So you have a ferro rod on this side, and you also have a sharpener on this side. So built into the sheath here, as well as a compass. We'll see how good that compass is. And then I believe that the cord, if I'm not mistaken, the cord also has the material in there where you can start a fire if you needed to. Anyway, it's a nice little knife. Not coming out. Okay, I like that one. All right, what else? All right, this is a Tough Tesla lighter. These are waterproof. The thing that I like about this one, I was looking at it earlier because I knew this stuff was coming, but the points to light any material are on top. So I don't know if you can see that. So the other one that I have that I purchased a while back, it's like in an arc, and so I guess it's more for like lighting cigarettes, I guess. But you have to get the material right in between those to get it to hit the arcs there. So anyway, this is supposed to be waterproof, so we'll definitely test that out. But it also has a flashlight, so that's pretty cool. All right, and it comes with the USB, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. So it comes with more paracord, a whistle. But anyway, a way to keep it around your neck, I guess, so that you don't lose it. And then it also comes with the micro USB cord so that you can charge it. You can charge it from your computer. You can charge it from a battery bank. You can charge it from a, if you connect it to your AC, if you have one of those adapters. All right, last thing up. This is the bivy, the tack bivy. And so you've seen a lot of these before, people using them like a survival blanket. You can get inside of them. They're really cold. So it's, I mean, you can see my hand there where it fits right in there. It's got the carabiner if you want to attach that to anything. Again, another whistle. It's just an extra little redundant whistle there that you have if you want to use that. But another great item here to have and to place in your survival bag. So anyway, that is an envelope opening from Survival Frog. A lot of great gear, and I am an affiliate for them. I do have a relationship with them, and I'll link to these items if you want to go check them out on their website yourself. They'll be down below in the description. But be looking on Prepper website and the Prepper website podcast for more information about these, because I'll be trying these out in maybe different videos, and maybe write a few articles as well.